How to order Byju's tablet? The question which I get almost every day on my previous Byju's videos. If you have not watched those videos, I will link it in I button, and also there will be links in description. Please go and watch those videos. They are very helpful. Now let us talk about how to order Byju's tablet. Actually, there are three ways how you can order Byju's tablet. First is by calling mentors. Second is to give BNAT Byju's scholarship test exam, and third is to directly buy from byjus.com website. First, let's talk about mentor. When you download Byju's app, when you fill all your details such as contact number, email ID, one or the other Byju's mentor will surely call you and ask you whether you are interested to buy Byju's tablet or not, and they will try to convince you to buy the Byju's tablet. So first way is Byju's mentor will automatically call you after registering to byjus.com or Byju's mobile app, and you need to do nothing. They will just call you and they will explain you all the things, and you need to buy tablet from them. Second way is to buy from byjus.com. There are various discounts going on the byjus.com website. If you visit byjus.com and if you go to product or shop, there you will be finding all the courses which Byju's provides. But I won't suggest you going in this method because I think the prices are pretty much high. Now let's talk about the third way where you can get Byju's tablet at a very discounted price by answering Byju's BNAT exam. So first you need to register to BNAT Byju's exam. The links are in description and also in the I button. Register for the exam, give that exam. It is conducted at the end of the month, means every month it is conducted. And if you are watching this video in the mid of the month, there will be registration form link in the description. So after registering to this BNAT exam, you need to answer this. It's an objective exam. After that, Byju's mentor will call you and tell you the discounted amount. And if you get 100 percentile in that Byju's BNAT exam, you can also get the tablet for absolutely free. Yeah, you heard it right, absolutely free. And if you get something around 70 to 80 percentile, then you get the discounts which Byju's mentor will call you and tell you. After that, you can also buy from Byju's mentor or also from your byjus.com website, because after you have been registered to BNAT exam, the prices will be discounted automatically on the byjus.com app or website. So you can buy BYJU'S Learning Kit from these sources, and I hope this video was helpful. Please share it among your friends who are interested to buy Byju's courses or any educational apps which are available on the internet. The procedure is same. So I hope all your doubts are being cleared. Please comment down if something got missed from my side. I will pin your comment if it's valuable for other viewers. And lastly, like the video, share it among your friends, subscribe to my channel for amazing Byju's related videos and analytical videos. Lastly, this is Jang signing off. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.